Okay, everybody, this is Kenn Renner, your real estate expert. I'm going to show you what we do to augment the leasing efforts of the property managers in our neighborhoods. One of our target neighborhoods here in Windham Hill. And you can see we've got our signs all the way up and down the street. This is a 5th Street major thoroughfare. And we have several homes that we're holding open right now. And the efforts on this is because, you know, we really feel like we want to put the extra effort. I don't know of any other agents out there that actually hold open houses for lease listings. But it's good for us. It's good to get our name out in these communities. It's good for our owners, and also it's good for the community because we've got a lot of great properties. So you can see very, very well, covered with signage. And those signs we're going to leave up in the yard. And we actually do what's called a ghost open house, an idea that we came up with, that kind of copying some of the other companies out there that are doing like Open Door and things like that, those hedge fund listings where they will allow people to come take a look at the house, even it's called an unaccompanied showing. And the way we do this is this allows us to be 24/7 open house. And I'll show you how this works. Leave my car on because it's hot today. So this is one of our listings, 5915 Fair Hill. This is just closed earlier this month, and it's one of the smaller homes in the subdivision. What they do is people will come to the open house, and if we have somebody here, Kimberly for instance, was holding it earlier today. She's actually out showing clients right now. But they come to the door and it says, "Welcome to our open house. I live just down the street," which Kimberly does. And so they'll call the phone number and we will let them in. There's a code on the door, and we just let them, we get their driver's license so that there's no hanky-panky. And, here we are actually, this is our staging area for all of our open house signs. We actually have 100 of them that we go through the neighborhood, around our neighborhoods, to make sure that our properties get full exposure. So this house, nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath, listed, I think we're asking $14.25 for it, and it was closed at the $170 price range. So anyways, this is just one. We've got 2 other ghost open houses in the neighborhood that are very well covered with signage, and we're just glad to keep the exposure going for our clients. So that's an example of our efforts, open house, ghost open houses, y'all. Thanks, bye.